Step 1. Place both thumbs on the yin-tang acupoint. Press downward from this point, moving towards the Beihui acupoint. Approximately, it takes about 9 presses to reach the Beihui acupoint. Repeat this motion 3 times. Step 2. Starting from the Zanzu acupoints. Press downward, moving towards the Sishinkang acupoints. Step 3. Gently soothe and relax the entire brow bone. Press along the entire eyebrow area, proceeding to the Taiyang acupoint. At the Taiyang acupoint, make circular motions to massage and relax. Step 4. Place both hands above the ears. Using the fingertips, massage the sides of the entire head. During the massage, if you feel a throbbing sensation at certain spots, you can focus on massaging those areas more intensively. Step 5. First, locate the Fengqi acupoint. Pull and press this point. Then, using our fingertips, massage and relax the area around the hairline at the back of the neck. Step 6. Using the thenar eminence of both hands, massage and relax the left and right sides of the head. Step 7. Tap and relax the entire head region. Have you learned the above content?